This is the power plant that generates up to 20% of New York City's electricity. But how does it work?
So what we're looking at here is a 1962 vintage rake and cycle steam turbine. It's what's called a cross compound unit, which means it's got one high pressure steam turbine and one low pressure steam turbine. Both of those are spinning in parallel, producing about 400 megawatts of electric power. If you look over here, what you'll see is a roughly 22-story boiler in which we're bringing in several million gallons of water from New York City's water system and then purifying that and flashing it to high temperature, high pressure steam that then runs through these steam turbines. In this building, you've got 3 discrete sets of boilers and steam turbines just like that. One standalone package that we call Unit 10, which is 400 megawatts. A second package called Unit 20, which is identical to Unit 10, and then down at the far end, Unit 30, which we lovingly refer to as Big Alice. This is the inner workings of a low-pressure steam turbine. Each successive set of discs takes more energy, more temperature, more pressure out of the steam and transfers that from thermal energy and pressure into mechanical energy by spinning the shaft. And that shaft spins a generator that makes electricity. And so that's how a steam turbine works.
So this is in these units?
That's inside this right here. So Ravenswood is sometimes referred to as Big Alice. It's a single 1,000 megawatt unit, and it consists of 2 parallel shafts. Much like with 10 and 20, this is a single generator with a set of boilers on this side. They produce high pressure, high temperature steam that's then fed first into the high pressure turbine. Then coming out of that steam is slightly cooler, slightly lower pressure. It goes into the medium pressure steam turbine. The steam that's coming out of that is even lower temperature, even lower pressure. That goes into the low temperature, low pressure steam turbine. And which each one of those stages, we're taking more of that thermal energy out of the steam and converting that into mechanical energy that's spinning a shaft, and that shaft is then spinning a generator that's attached to it, and that's what makes the electricity.
So this is the core way that electricity is being generated.
It's a relatively simple process. We're boiling water and then using that water to spin a steam turbine, which has been the principal way that people have produced mechanical and electrical energy for the last couple of 100 years.
Stay curious, my friends.